Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the thermostat on BMW E46 320D. The procedure for replacing the thermostat is similar for most E46 BMWs with a petrol or diesel engine. The thermostat on this car is located underneath the EGR cooler, so first we need to remove the cooling fan. First, we'll start by disconnecting the electrical connectors over there. Next, we're going to remove the two bolts holding this cooling fan diffuser so that we can remove it afterwards. Next, we're going to remove the cooling fan. We need two wrenches size 32 in order to remove the cooling fan. We put one wrench on the bolt, the other wrench on the nut of the cooling fan, and we're going to turn it clockwise. On the cooling fan, the thread is on the reverse side, so in order to loosen it and remove it, we need to turn it clockwise instead of anti-clockwise. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Once we get the bolt loose, then we just need to turn the cooling fan clockwise, and it will and we'll remove the bolt of the cooling fan from the nut. And that's the cooling fan out of the nut. So next we can remove the whole cooling fan diffuser along with the cooling fan. And that's the cooling fan out. Now that the cooling fan is removed, we can see where the thermostat is located. It's located right there underneath the EGR cooler. So in order to remove the thermostat, first we need to remove the EGR cooler. First we remove the hose connecting one of the big hoses to the EGR cooler. Next we're going to remove the first bolt that holds the EGR cooler to the engine. It's right there underneath the cooler. Next we're going to remove one of the clamps holding the e-draw cooler pipe, and then we're going to remove the other pipe which is on the bottom side. Next we're going to remove that hose over there. And now we're going to remove the second bolt holding the e-draw cooler to the engine. Now that we've freed the e-draw cooler, next we can remove it. Next we're going to loosen the clamp of this air intake hose and take out the hose. Next we need to remove this flange from the thermostat. So in order to do that, we need to remove two bolts holding it. One of them is over there and one in the back. There's the second bolt right there. Now that the cooling flange is freed, now we can push it back and to free the thermostat. Next we need to remove this coolant hose for the thermostat. Before we're able to remove this coolant hose, first we need to remove this air intake pipe that goes from the air filter box to the turbo. There is a clamp down there that we need to remove, and then two bolts, and then we'll take out the air intake hose. When we take out the air intake hose, there will be enough space to remove the coolant hose. That's the air intake hose out. Now I have access to remove the thermostat hose and then remove the thermostat. Now we can see the thermostat. The thermostat is held by 4 bolts. We need to remove them and then we take out the thermostat. And that's the thermostat out. Now we need to clean the space where the new thermostat is going to be sitting, and then we can put on the new thermostat. We need to clean all this silicone and make it as clean as possible so that the new thermostat will sit in perfectly. And now we can put on the new thermostat. First, we're going to lubricate the seal, and then we can put on the thermostat. Now we'll assemble everything in the reverse order. After everything is assembled, we can fill up with new coolant and bleed the system through the bleeding screws. There is 4 bleeding screws on this car, and then that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.